Hello guys, how are you doing? Have you made any upgrades in your motorcycle today? If no, let's go to watch this video where I will show you what I carry in my BMW Toolbox. Number 1. Gloves. You wanna have clear hands when you're doing something with your bike. RTV silicone. If you have any leak in your engine, you can fix this. Pliers. I don't know for what. Nobody don't know what's gonna happen, so light and heavy duty beard breakers. If you need to replace the tire, you need these guys. Rim shields. This guy can help you. I don't know, maybe you need for safety. If you know how to use, go ahead. Here a whole set of different tools. Let's go to look what I have here inside. Make your ride safer in case something gonna happen, and for that you need a set of different tools. I'm not gonna saying you have to carry all of those, but this is just my recommendation. So let's go. Whoop. Most important, zip ties. You wanna have a lot and good quality. Don't buy cheap one. Adhesive tape. Oops. Okay. I have my mobile soldering iron, and here USB cable. Those tools, those guys, especially for BMW, who ride the BMW, they know. Here I like those one small cut pliers. They're helpful. Ratchet, extension, and for spark, another extension, 10 and 12 branches. I don't need, but just in case, maybe I can help for somebody. Screwdriver. This guy is very helpful, so I highly recommend. But sometimes you need, push some pin or something like that, so that's why I like to carry them too. Some L key, most popular in my motorcycle. You wanna have exactly which one you need. Don't carry too much. Another extension. In here I have set of socket and also Torx, different sizes. So it's a couple of different sizes, right? And here another section. So I have second relay, 40 amperes, 12 volt. Some fuses and heat shrinks, just in case, right? So yeah, that's how it looks. It's pretty small bag, but carry a lot, so that's why I like this carry toolbox. And now how to load everything, just like that. Maybe I will put this guy here, just like that. Then this guy is here on the top, just like that. Dun, 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 dun. Wire is here. I'm not sure I need this one, but I have, so that's okay. Now And the last one, zip ties, I just pushing them inside. That's it. Done. And now I'm gonna show you guys how to load everything there. Kind of tricky, but it's possible. Easy, only one hand. Okay, sometimes maybe two. Look, I can push my hands inside. Then this guy on the first is going first. Then this pry bar. Done. Easy, easy. Rim shields go here. Then another one. Then this guy. And I forgot something. I forgot about thread locker. And then close. That's it. So guys, this small toolbox can carry a lot of tools, and those tools can help me somewhere to fix my bike, or maybe I need help for somebody. Maybe somebody can have some issue with his bike or with the car, who knows. Nowadays a lot of people in the cars, they don't know how to use tools, they don't know how to fix the cars, some basic stuff. So that's why I like to have tools with me, and I highly recommend you to carry tools also. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you like it, just leave thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, that's also important. So see you in the next time, in the next video. Drive safe. Bye for now.